Pinoy nilait at binastos kung saan sinayawan pa ito ng kalaban dahil isa lang daw itong pampataba sa record. Pero hindi dito pumapayag si Kabayan na hindi makaganti 4 na beses nitong pinabagsak ang hambog na undefeated.
Tunay na labanan, balitang boxing, pag-uusapan.
Isa sa maituring na magaling na Pinoy boxer itong si Jundi Maraon, ang pretty boy ng Molave, Zamboanga del Sur. May malinis na record na 13 panalo, walang talo at 10 knockout. WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion. Ang kanyang kalaban ay si Anthony Matias ng Tanzania, isang knockout artist na may 23 panalo at 18 knockout. Dahil sa kanyang record, marami ang naniwalang kaya niyang agawin ang titulo ng Pinoy. Halika mga boxing fans, panoorin natin kung paano 4 na beses pinabagsak ng ating Pinoy itong hambog na undefeated. Bago yan, palike at subscribe na lang kasama ang bell. Malaking tulong yan sa aming mga content creator. Pagdating ng unang round, agad siyang sumugod, punong-puno ng kumpiyansa. Pero hindi na tinag si Maraon. Tahimik lamang itong naghihintay ng tamang tiempo.
And Pretty Boy Maraon is coming off a crushing third round.
Sa mga hindi po nakapanood, eh kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, eh mas grabe po yung nangyari ron. Actually,
Mula sa palitan ng suntok, bagsak si Matias ngunit nakatayo pa ito at lumaban.
That pass.
Hindi para po si Jundi Maraon. Hindi pa tapos. Dennis. Principe. Isang straight. Ang binigaw ni Jundi Maraon.
And that was the same punch that Lord Jason again. Panood, eh kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, eh mas grabe po yung nangyari ron. Medyo natras doon si Jundi Maraon. Jundi Maraon now is going for the kill. He knows that his opponent is in trouble.
But he should take it easy. He
Dahil
can never be confident against these Africans.
bumabalik yung African, ha?
Oh, yes.
Bumabalik si
Look at
Matias.
Look at that.
Maraon.
That left is really powerful.
Oo.
Talagang malakas na
And Matias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Matias is in deep trouble.
Jundi Maraon going to the midsection. He gets stuck there by a right.
Pero maganda yung ginagawa niya. Nag-iingat din siya, no? Hindi niya pino-force yung action. Showing maturity. Another left by Jundi Maraon.
That left is really powerful.
Oo.
Talagang malakas na
And Matias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Jundi. And now Jundi going for the kill. Matias is in deep trouble. And Matias missing a left, or rather a right, jab by Maraon.
Nagulat actually yung Afrikano to sa straight na binitawan ni Jundi Maraon.
I think he has recovered. We are under 1 minute of this 12-round encounter.
Right there by Matias.
Be a short night. Pretty much in charge of this fight. Right by Matias. Left jab. And kung nakaka-recover short night, Jundi Maraon defending his regional title. Counter left to the body by Maraon. Pretty Boy pretty much in charge of this fight. Right by Matias, left jab. And kung nakaka-recover na nga yung Tanzanian fighter. Now Matias using his left jab to ward off and derail any attempt of Maraon to connect that left, but he again connects with the strong left combination, body shot. Everything being thrown now by Jundi Maraon.
Sa ikalawang round, natagpuan niya ang target. Isang malakas na kaliwa ang tumama. Bumagsak si Matias. Nagulat ang mga manonood. Pero mas lalo silang nagulat sa sumunod.
Matias now has a bloodied nose.
Oo.
Courtesy of that straight. Oh, good right there by Matias.
No, parang malapad at matangkad si Maraon for a bantamweight. Powerful lefts being thrown by Maraon, and I could just kung bababa pa ito sa super flyweight. Oh, terrifying na ito.
Yes. Good left again by Jundi.
Left. body shot by Jundi Maraon. Showing maturity, he knows that pagabang pa rin, bumabalik pa rin si Mathias.
Mula sa malakidlat na kaliwa ng Pinoy, bagsak ulit ang hambog na si Matthias, ngunit nagpakita din ito ng tapang.
This fight. Grabe yung left ni Lima. Oo. Maski isang katamaan dyan. One more. Ayos atin.
Bumabalik pa rin, no? Kumaka-counter pa rin si Mathias. There's another left.
Hindi ma-solve ni Mathias yung left straight na tinatapon ni Judy Maraon kanina pa.
Very accurate, no? Counter pa rin si Mathias. There's another left.
Dennis, actually sa loob, mama. Baksak rin yung...
This was wrong.
Sa ikatlong round, patuloy ang atake ni Maraon, gusto nang tapusin ang kalaban ngunit patuloy pa itong lumalaban.
Mathias in black. Maraon already scored 2 knockdowns in this fight.
One in the first,
And
another in
one
the second.
Courtesy of that kind of left. He's now using his right hand, especially those body shots.
Good left there by Mathias.
That was a good left jab, stinging left jab. Kanyang footwork. Decent.
Another left there by Judy Maraon. Oh,
Dito niya natikman ang bilis ng mga kamao ni Maraon, kung saan hindi na alam ni Matthias paano depensahan ang mga umuulan na suntok.
left there by... Yes, and I think it's all over.
Could be. This could be the end of the fight. Going for the kill. Body shot. Countless. Going for the kill. Jundi Maraon. Body shot. Countless blows being delivered by Jundi Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Mathias hanging on. Green light.
You know, I saw Mathias smiling there, huh? As if saying, I can survive this.
There's that left again.
Muli siyang pinabagsak ng Pinoy, ngunit sa halip na mag-ingat, nagyabang palalo ang dayo. Sinayawan pa niya si Maraon sa gitna ng laban. Parang gustong ipakitang hindi siya apektado.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Mathias. And we're under 1 minute in the second kontra doon sa kaliwa ni yung that's the third time Mathias has been...
Ngunit habang tumatagal ang sagupaan, palalim ng palalim ang problema niya. Sa bawat round, mas marami ang malinis na suntok ni Maraon. Mas mabilis, mas eksakto, mas mabigat.
A good left, right straight there by Anthony Mathias. I am surprised and amazed at the resilience.
Sturdy, no? Fighter.
Oh yes,
Very
you have to give it to him.
Oo.
Gumapang na. But I think it's just a matter of time. Because left to the midsection by Jundi Maraon.
When it comes to skills, power, lahat na kayo.
This is the first time out, the second time out that we're using this in a big boxing event. And we're doing this to support
Going for the kill, Jundi Maraon, body shot. Countless blows being delivered by Jundi Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Mathias hanging on. Green light. Combination by Maraon. Mathias in black, Maraon in red. The undefeated fighter from Braeburn.
Sa kalagitnaan ng laban, patuloy pa ring nakatayo si Matthias ngunit patuloy pa rin ang opensiba ni Maraon. Gusto talaga tapusin sa impresibong knockout itong hambog na kalaban.
Jundi Maraon.
One each in the first, second, and third rounds. Jundi Maraon.
Pero ang tibay, ano?
Parang gloves, ha?
Hanggang sa ika-6 na round, tumama ang isang suntok na tila tuluyang nagpatigil sa kanyang pagmamayabang.
stake. Defending champion Jundi Maraon.
Again, let me
Red.
express my admiration to the resilience of the Tanzanian fighter, Anthony Matias. 3 knockdowns in 6 rounds, and he's still up there, exchanging punches with Jundi Marao.
And he's been countless left. And now, Matias is very active with his left jab. Maraon still there. The patience of Maraon being tested here. Left from. There's a jab again. But Matias countering with the right to the body. Meron tingko ba ni
yes.
Maraon ngayon compared to his last 3 fights? Very active with his left jab. Right to fire naman. Jundi Maraon showing composure. Despite those 3 knockdowns he scored each in the first.
Bumagsak siyang muli sa canvas, ngunit mapahanga ka rin talaga sa tapang nito.
Another knockdown.
Pero tayo agad. But this time,
I think he's hurt.
oo.
I think he's hurt. There's no more dancing.
Great. Maraon still in
Sabog na yun.
front. Oo.
Sabog na yung ulong Matias ako.
So the patience of Maraon being tested here. And again, at left of Jundi Maraon.
Technical knockout. Tila ba nabitin pa itong hambog at gusto pang lumaban? 4 na beses na pinabagsak ni Jundi Maraon ang hambog na si Matthias at naiuwi ang WBO title. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa ipinakitang tapang at husay ni Jundi Maraon? Ibahagi ang inyong opinyon sa baba at huwag kalimutang mag-iwan ng suporta.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag
Bago yan, pa-like at subscribe na lang kasama ang bell.
Balita niya
Malaking
ang
tulong
laban,
yan sa
mga
aming mga
Pinoy na
content
di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.
Champion na si Luis Pantera Neri sa harap ni Inoue sa Nagoya, Japan.